Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. Today's video is super exciting. Not only are you moving abroad for free, but you're getting paid to move abroad. How about that? So you're getting full visa sponsorship. You're getting flight tickets covered, monthly stipends, everything paid for you. I think this is a very good one. I myself am tempted to apply for this. All right. So please stick with me in today's video while I share all the information with you so you can know the eligibility criteria, who can apply, how to apply, the deadline, and the benefits of this opportunity. Please do watch to the end. If we're just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Here I share information to assist you move abroad. So please do subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. And if it's your first time here, please let me know in the comments. I always have something special for first timers. So just type below, it is my first time, and I welcome you specially to the channel. And if you'd like me to assist you move abroad personally, because that is what I do, I help family and friends move abroad. So if you want me to handle the entire process for you, then do send me an email so we can talk about that. Or if you just need me to guide you on what pathway is best for you, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me and we get to talk over a call. So my email address is on the screen and also in the description box below. Also follow me on Instagram because I share a lot of information on Instagram that does not make it to YouTube. And also follow me on Facebook as well. Follow me on all social media platforms because there is information that may not be on YouTube but may be on Instagram and on Facebook. Please give the video a thumbs up. Let's just take a second to hit the like button and share the video with everyone you know so they too can take advantage of this opportunity. Before we go forward, let me share this vital information with you. Do you want to make $1,000 every month? I have the perfect side hustle for you. Everybody can do this. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need to quit your job. It is an online business and one where you get to earn passive income every month forever. It is passive income because you're putting in the work just once and you're getting paid every month. This side hustle is becoming a publisher online, and you don't need to be a writer to do this because you're actually not writing any book. You're not editing any book. All you need to do is to buy these already formatted and edited manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. Buy your manuscripts from stackly.com and publish them on e-commerce platforms like Amazon KDP, Apple Books, Google Play Books, Lulu, and Barnes and Noble. So you're putting in the work just once. You're buying your manuscripts just once, publishing them just once, and then you sit back and earn every month for the rest of your life. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150, and 300 manuscripts. So feel free to buy any of these manuscripts that you can afford. I personally published the 300 pack of manuscripts, so I highly recommend that one. So if you want to go all in, then please go for the pack of 300, but feel free to purchase anyone you like. You'll still get to earn passive income every month. And Stackly has been gracious enough to put together a free training for those that want to publish on Amazon KDP. And if you want to join an exclusive group of KDP publishers from around the world, please do send me an email after you have purchased your manuscripts and I will add you to the group. Again, it is www.stackly.com. All the links are in the description box below. All right, you're welcome back. So this opportunity is to move to Japan. I love Japan. Japan is like my favorite country in the world for so many reasons. You may not know that Japan's passport is the second strongest passport in the world. It was the strongest passport in the world for so long until recently when Singapore kicked them to second position. But having the second strongest passport in the world is still a good thing. And then the labor market is really friendly to foreigners. So many expats are currently working in Japan. There is extreme labor shortage in this country. So they are looking to hire overseas workers. So now may be a good time to move to Japan because of the job opportunities that are available. Let me show you a news report from Japan Times. The headline says, Japan's foreign workforce hits fresh record as labor crisis deepens. Yeah. So if you can see here, it says that the number of foreign workers in Japan reached a new high, underscoring the country's growing reliance on people from overseas to address its chronic labor shortage. So they said the labor shortage is chronic, yeah. So Japan had a record of 2.3 million foreign workers as of October 2024, marking a 12.4% increase from the previous year. And in 2025, this number has greatly increased. Over the past 1 year, I have done several videos about how to move to Japan for work, for teachers, for IT professionals, for all occupations actually. I've also talked about several work visas in Japan. But today's video, I want to show you how you can move to Japan as a student. And not to worry, it is fully funded, so you have nothing to lose. So if you're unable to get a job in Japan while still overseas, going to Japan as a student might be the next best option for you, because you're going to be right there in Japan, having the opportunity to network among employers and recruiters to land a job in the country. And since this is fully funded, so like I said, you have nothing to lose. This is a fully funded scholarship. Let us look at the benefits, yeah? So number one is the student's admission fee. So it's going to cover the admission fee, it's going to cover your tuition fees. So you're actually paying zero tuition. It also covers your international airfare, meaning your flight tickets from your country down to Japan is going to be covered by this. And then you also get a monthly stipend of 1,500 Japanese yen, which is about $1,000 every month. This is a good way to get into Japan to explore the labor market while also furthering your education. I think it's a win-win situation here. So let us look at more details about this scholarship. Meet your future in Tokyo. Earn a graduate degree from Tokyo Metropolitan University. So this is the Tokyo Global Partner Scholarship Program. It is awarded to high-achieving students who wish to pursue their graduate education at Tokyo Metropolitan University, the TMU. By bringing together students from around the world, the scholarship intends to promote TMU as an educational and research hub for collaboration and innovation that contributes to the development of Tokyo and beyond. The eligibility overview. This scholarship is for students that are looking to pursue a master's degree and a PhD degree. The academic institution where you are enrolled must be a partner institution of TMU or a higher education institution located in any of Tokyo's sister cities or any other Asian country or region. Alternatively, you may be eligible if you work in a research institution, a governmental organization, or a company. The location of this organization must be in any of Tokyo's sister cities or any other Asian country or region. There is a 10-page document here that gives full details about the application eligibility. So you may want to look at this by yourself. So you can just have all the information. So there's information about the grade point average that you should have to be eligible for this, and how to calculate it. And they've also talked about language proficiency. So they've said here that you should be proficient in Japanese or English. So all of this, you can get into the details on your own. I just want to give you a summary. The enrollment date, when this starts, you're going to be starting your studies April 1 of 2026. And then the content of support, what they're going to be giving to you, this is a full breakdown. You're going to be exempt from admission fees, so you're not paying any admission fees. And then full tuition fees also, you're exempt from tuition as well. And then the scholarship money provided to international students will be 1,500 yen per month. And then one-way air tickets to enter into Japan and return to your home country after your degree. They've said housing referral services will be provided. There is some other info here. I think it's just something you can go through on your own. Let us get to look at the timeline for this. Okay, let us look at the levels of study. So PhD and master's, yeah. So they have given the courses that are eligible. You can see the infographics here. So the master's course is for 2 years and the PhD is for 3 years. And these are the fields. Let me make it bigger so we can see better. So for master's, we have nursing sciences, physical therapy, occupational therapy, radiological sciences, frontier health services, health promotion services. Okay, it's a lot. I can't actually mention all, but let's just look at it, right? So there is computer science and the likes. There is geography, and then fields of engineering. There's tourism science here. And let's look at PhD. We have here sociology, social anthropology, social welfare, psychology, history, law, politics, business administration, maths, physics, chemistry, and all of that. So these are the fields where you can study to be eligible for this scholarship. So let us look at timelines. So the application timeline, so there is one for fall admissions and there is for spring admissions, but the one we are targeting is for spring admissions. So let's just scroll down to see that. So for spring admissions, application opens September 9 and then it closes October 10. Exams and interviews is November 11. Awards will be announced December 12. So by December 12, you're going to be notified about your success. And then the studies will commence April 1. So by May, you should have landed Japan to begin your studies. So again, the name of this program is the Tokyo Global Partner Scholarship Program. You can Google that. So that is basically a summary of it all. So please do your further research, read more, especially the 10-page document that gives full details about the scholarship so you can be best positioned to send a very good application. You have nothing to lose. This is fully funded. So if you get this, it's a very good opportunity to further your studies and also get to explore Japan's labor market. So let me know what you think about this video. Will you be applying? Let me know in the comments, and also share the video with others so they can apply as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos from me. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Let us see in the next video. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.